the fuck are you guys doing today? So today I want to introduce this new tool I just got Milwaukee sent over. Okay, it's the installation drill driver kit 250522. So the 22 on the Milwaukee stuff means it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. Just to let you know, if it says 21, that's 1 fucking battery. If it says 20, that's 0, that's tool only. Okay, so what this thing is a drill driver. You get 4 different heads, okay? It's not an impact driver or anything like that. I mean, it only has up to 300 inch-pounds of working torque, which for what this thing is really designed for, you don't need all that much. So, you know, what it is it's 4 dedicated solutions in one. This thing is pretty fucking awesome. I saw this at MPS, and I was like, man, I gotta have this. I think it would work good in, like, the mechanic type world. This is one of these tools that was built for, like, plumbers, electricians, and all that stuff. But it does have a use in the mechanical side of things. Okay, so this is the drill driver. You see that it has nothing on front. Okay, I just want to take a minute to talk about this thing. I kind of like how it's designed. It has a magnet right here so you can store a little drill thing there. But I like this pistol grip thing. Now, what I really like is the selector switch. Instead of having that stupid switch that goes over here, I kind of would like if all their tools had this selector switch. So that's forward, that's reverse. You know, you can easily hit it with your hand. You just thumb it up and do that. I think that's cool as shit. Okay, I kind of like that. This we got to get rid of. I'll take this off in a little bit. But it comes in this nice contractor bag. So what you get is another battery. You get a charger. Here, you can enter to win. I don't know if anybody's ever won this stuff. I don't know how you can... oh, there's 1 drawing per month. So Milwaukee giving away a bunch of stuff. And it comes with just a regular M12 charger. Alright. So, I got enough chargers. So here are the 4. Let me get these out here. And we'll get this contractor bag out of the way. Here is the 4 trucks you get with it. So you get a regular 3/8 drill. Just a drill chuck, you know, like if you had a, you know, all metal drill chuck. Look at that. Oh, God. God damn it. 3/8. So you get that. You get a 1/4 inch impact thingy. Hex driver. You get this 90-degree tool. Now, the 90-degree tool can go on, I think, 1 or 2 ways. So it can go straight down or straight up. And the next thing you get is this offset. So, you know, this might be a good tool for home too. It's kind of one tool all in one. But this is an offset. And it's got, you know, you can put a bit in there. So if you had to change a lock on the door, you know how the lock's always fucking in there all fucked up. You can easily use that. So that's just the offset. You know, if you had to get this thing in somewhere tight, like I said, I thought it would be great for under dashes. Now this is pretty cool. So this just clips on there. Okay, 90-degree. And you can put this on there. So now you can have an impact chuck. You can hold it like this. Drill up under something. You know, like if we were up under a dash, you know, take some screws out. You know, instead of trying to fucking fight with all this other bullshit. Just hold it like that. Alright. You can put that on there. You can put... You can put the offset tool on there. And you could put the drill chuck on there. Now this might work good if you had to drill in some tight spots, but you got to remember it's only 300 inch-pounds, so I wouldn't suggest hardened steel. But then you know you got everything here. This little 90-degree thing is cool. But yeah, this is the installation drill driver. You will see me using this. I like this too because it's not impacting, so it's less likely to fuck up all the other shit. But this little thing is pretty cool. We definitely got to get some 6.0 batteries. It's got this 2.0 battery in it. I mean, I'm a more power guy. I want to put a battery in it and run it for a week. You know, not have to worry about charging it. That's my thing. But this installation drill driver, check this tool out. It's available pre-order. IO Power Tools, Acme Power Tools. Check the link down in the description. And you guys could get one of these. But again, I like this switching thing. I don't know why. But that's a cool tool that I got this week. Can't wait to use it. I already tried it out on the door over there. Works great. You know, now there is not a dash, you know, on these goddamn Peterbilts when the AC blower motor goes out, because that happens a lot. I got this thing. So, like always, guys, thanks for watching. Check out Instagram, Patreon, all that bullshit. And like always, I gotta fucking go.